Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about Descript AI. So basically the Descript AI is a powerful video editing tool that is perfect for beginners. And if you can type, you can edit videos with Descript easily. It's that simple, from editing with text to automatic captions. Also, you can screen record and even use AI powered features. For example, you can remove filter words or generating YouTube descriptions also. So Descript AI does it also. Let's jump right in. So as you can see, I'm in the descript.com. You have to go to this site, and before you get started, make sure to check the link in the description box, or it can be in the pinned comments. So go to descript.com right here and then tap on to sign up. Also, you can tap on to get started for free. And if you have ever previously used Descript AI, you can also log in if you had an account. Now as you can see, you can continue with your Google, your SSO. Also you can use your email account. For example, I'm gonna go with the Google account. I'm gonna log in using my Google account. So tap on to continue with Google. Now let's choose our preferred email account, I mean Gmail account, then continue. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my Descript AI dashboard, and now you have to answer some basic questions like what am I using Descript AI for. If you're using it for work, personal work or educational work, then just choose the thing that you are using it for. I'm gonna tap onto work. Now you have to tap onto what best describes you. So I'm gonna tap onto one. You just have to tap onto one of them videos, on any of the videos. Now let's talk about their pricings. As you can see, this is their pricing packages annually. That's mean this you have to pay these fees for the whole 12 months on advanced. So as you can see, this is the free version which we're gonna get started to today, and on this version you can just get one transaction per hour a month. Like for 1 month you can just get one transactions per hour. You can export 720p with watermarks, and you can use it for limited trial of basic AI features and limited 5-minute trial of AI speech and others. And you can see the rest of three of packages. So there's one which is always $12, another one is creator package, is $24. This one is the most popular one, that means most people buy this one for them. And lastly, there is another one which is business offer, which is $40. So let's see what the offers. You can just check it out, that what the offers. For example, the creator one, the most popular one, offers 30 transactions per hours and for 1 month, and you can export 4K video without watermark. You can use unlimited use of basic and advanced AI suite, including eye contact and 20 plus more AI features. All of these things you can use 2 hours listenings a month for AI speech. You can use 30-minute month of dubbing, and all of these options like 10 minutes of avatars with custom upload, unlimited access to royalty free stock media library, and advanced export options. So let's tap on to get started, so that we can get started for free. Now let's tap on to continue. And as you can see, we are on the Descript AI dashboard. So on the left you can see your home site, your projects, your quick recordings and templates, all these things right here. And if you want to make a video, you can just tap onto AI video maker to generate a free video. Just tap on to generate, and maybe you will have to enter a prompt to generate your video. So for now I'm gonna tap onto the create new project at the top right corner. Right here you can see this option, new project. Now you have to tap onto video project or audio project. Now I'm gonna tap onto video project. Now you have to click upload file and select your video file format. Okay, so let's tap onto this one, and this, let's open it. Descript will automatically transcribe the video for you. You will now see the transcription as editable text. This is where the magic begins. Let's tap on to done. And if you want to add this type of preview, you can add them. and let's tap onto this. Now let's tap on to apply to my project, and there we go. Almost. Now you'll see this text. It is there, you can see it is transcribing my text right here, and you can delete words or sentences in the transcript to remove from them video. Like you can remove transcript text from the video if you wish to after it generates completely. As you can see, my 50% of transcription is almost done, and if you want to cut or move clips, then you can use the blade tool or drag the transcript around. Here you can see you can edit, you can get sound editor, you can get eye contact editor and all of things. So let's, for example, let's start this video. Let's open it from the start from here. Let's start it from here.
Like this is for ads on, you have to click on
Let me make the sound a little bit lower.
this called,
As you can see, the
wait,
text
let me
is
see the
added.
name.
Now let's edit this text. Let's change the text to black color. Let's choose the whole text. So that's it. Now let's check. So now let's tap onto it.
Tap onto install.
As you can see,
Log in with your Gmail.
as you can see, my transcription has been added. You can also generate an image if you want to, and then add it to right here. Like let's add something like this. I added some random things. So let's see how it generates. You can just generate images. You can also add green screen if you wish to. You can set interactive speaker if you want for you, and then you can submit it. Okay, so you can also add visual effects if you want. Here you can see this option. You can add shadow if to it. You can add all of these things. You can also add animations if you want to, like tap on custom, and then from there you can add animations to it. So
Like count, then tap continue.
this is really a cool thing. You can add borders if you wish to, like
Now scroll down to the bottom and tap allow. It is a trusted and safe app, so don't worry, just give the all the informations there.
So this is how you can use transcript.
Now you have to
Descript
tap
AI.
done.
This is really good one, but on the free version you would not be
So
able
as
to
you can see, it is
edit much
installing.
more in advance. Okay, let's me just pause it. So this is how you can edit edit your videos in Descript AI, and if you purchase the pro version, then you can just use them more properly. So that was it for today, and if this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next video.